24. 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. Okay, children? Is it easy now? So the only thing what we need to get, guys, we need to know the tables. So the next line we are having is a 5 table. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 50. 50. 5 6s are 30. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10. 6 10s are 60. 6 7s are 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. Well, 6 6 are 36. 6 8s are 6 6 are 36. 46. 8 are 48. 6 3s are 18. Okay, guys, is it easy? Yes. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 40. 9 7 8s are 50. 6 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 9s are 60. I think it is just like an activity, guys. It is very interesting for you and it is very interesting for us also to explain. It is easier. It's like, like something, a little bit of an activity. 8 table. 8 8s are 64. 8 7s are 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 8 9s are 72. 8 6 6 8s are 48. 8 2s are 16. 8 8s are 64. 8 3s are 24. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 9 6s are 54. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 9 10s are 90. Okay, guys, next 10. 10 9s are 90. 10 7s are 70. 10 3s are 30. 10 5s are 50. 10 1s are 10. 10 6s are 60. So this is all about the multiply the inner numbers together to get the other numbers. So now I would like to explain you the properties of multiplication. So we are having different properties over here, children. I am going to explain you each and everything in detail. The first property is, if I multiply any number with 1, what that number remains, what the value remains, the same number. Okay, children. The next one, if I multiply any number with a 0, what that number remains? 0. Good. And I wanted to ask you, if I multiply 1 into 2, what it will become? 2. The same way. If I multiply 2 into 1, what it will become? It will become the 2 itself. So 409 into 3 is equal to 1227. 27. Yes or no, children? The last concept is 15 into 5 into 7 is equals to 75 into 7, 525. That means I paired this and then I paired this. Whatever you are pairing, but the value will become the same. Next is distributivity property. Distributive property. Okay, 16 plus 5 into 9 is equals to how much? 16 plus 5, 21 into 9 is equal to 189. That is nothing but, this is the formula, guys. A plus B into C plus B into C. That means 16 into 9 plus 5 into 9. 144 plus 45 is equals to 189. So hope you understood the properties of multiplication and the distributive property, all of you. Next we are having multiplication by 100, 200, 300, so on up to 900. So if I multiply with 125, what it will become, children? 25. If I multiply with 10, what it will become? 250, because we are adding just 10 0 to that number. Next we are having multiplication by 1000, 2000, so on up to 9000. So I have multiplied 246 into 1000. So what it will become, children? Generally 246 into 1, this 0. So if I multiply with the 3000, 4000 also, you will get the same for this is the multiplication by 100, this is multiplication by 1000 and so on. The first concept, write the product. I will multiply only this. 6 4 is 24, 4 2 is 8, 9 10. That's it. So you should multiply only these two numbers. 26 into 6 4 is 24, 4 is 9 10. Okay. Next again here. 17 5s are 5 7 35. 6 7 8. So what is the answer? 850. Because 85 I got and I kept this 0. And the last question what we are having, ma? 171 into 800. What is the next one? C bit we are having? 171 into. So what we have to multiply? 8 ones are 8. 7 8s are 56. 8 is a 6. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 7 7 are 49. 7 8 are 56. Yes. 8 ones are 8. 9 10 11 12 13. So answer is 1 3 6 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 9 10 11 12. Hope you have understood this. We are having fill in the blanks. 2169 into dash is equal to 2169. What children? 1. Yes, because if you multiply with a 1 only, you will get the same answer. Next, 46 plus 5, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So I'll multiply here. 51 3s are 153. So if I multiply with a 0, how much I'll get, ma? Into 0. Okay. Next, find the product. I'll multiply only this. 90. So what are the remaining? 1, 2, 3. So if you multiply, you can multiply here. 7, 8, 9, 90. Here also same. Multiply. 24. So 384. 0, 0. Next, fill in the blanks. 35 into 1000. 35000. Okay, children. The next concept we are having multiplication by a 3-digit number. So we'll go with the first example, guys. Yes. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42, 43, 44. 7 4s are 28, 2 9 30, 31 32. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18, 19. 3 4 are 12. Add 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 7 1, 6 8. Next multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 7s are 21. 9 5s are 45. Yes. 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21 22. 7 9s are 63, 64, 65. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I hope you have understood this two. This is example 2, guys. I forgot to say. This is example 2 and this is example 1. Here, the next example 3. Find the arrangement by the suitable rearrangement. Okay, children. So we need to arrange it. Okay. So I wanted to arrange 23 into 9 so that it will be easier for me to multiply rather than taking it to larger numbers. Okay. So 23 into 9. 27, 9 to the 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we should multiply 207 into 57. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 5 7 35, 5 2s are 10. 11,799. Have you understood? Here we are having find the project. So first one, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Children, I have been discussing you so many times that the number is multiplied with the 0, we'll get the number 0 itself. So 0, 0, 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5, 5, 6, 4, 9. Okay, guys, next. 2 table, easiest table, right? Yes. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 4s are 8. 4, 5, 8. 1 6 is 6, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4. What we are doing addition, so do not forget to keep the symbol. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Next, 2 table again. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 7, 1 5s are 1 3s are. The 14, 7 5, 35, 36, 7 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. 4, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Here it is 5 ones are 5, we'll explain. 5 3s are 15, guys. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can keep the commas here. 7 2s are 14, 7 5 36, 3 is there. So that's what I said, to keep the borrows like carries very clearly. 7 3 is 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is 24. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3. Understood, guys? Yes. Next one, find the product. So I will multiply this. 36 5 is 30. So we should multiply only 3 4 is 12. Okay, children, it is easier. Next again. Any number multiplied with 0 answer is a 0. So the answer is 0 itself. Here. Find a product by suitable arrangement. So I will arrange 5 2s are 100, 5 2s are 10, 87 0 0. Okay, children. Next. 25 into 8. 5 8 is 40. 8 6 18 19 20. Yes, children. 5 8 is 40. 0 4. 8 16 17 18 19 20. So I will multiply only with the 276 2s are. So answer is 5 5 2. The next example you are having is a word problem. In a garden there are 179 rows of plants. If there are 357 plants in each row, calculate total number of plants in each garden. So what we have to do, children? We have to multiply 357 into 179. Okay, ma'am? Yes. Is it in the example? So that's why I'm not writing the word matter, ma. You can see the calculation part. Okay. 7 is 63, 9 5 is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 9 3 27, 22, 9 30, 31 32, 7 7 is 49, 7 5 is 35, 36 30, 39, 7 3 is 21, 20 20 24. Again, 1 7 is 7, 1 5 is 5, and 10. 9 10 7 9 5 10 13. 63,903. Yes, it is there in the textbook. The question is to solve the problems. A company printed 125 pamphlets for each company. How many pamphlets are printed for 16 companies in total? For one company, 125. 16 companies, how much? That means you need to multiply. A company printed 125 for each company. Or 125 pamphlets, you can write it here. For each company. 60. Okay, total pamphlets for 16 companies are 6 5 5s are 30, 6 to 12, 10 to 15, 6 1s are 6, 7, 1 5s are 1 2s are 1 1s are 0, 0, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many pamphlets there have been for 16 companies, ma'am? 2000. Next, Hema got 400 flowers for the party. If one flower costs 12, how much did she spend? Okay. Number of flowers. Hema bought for party. 400 guys. Each flower cost rupees 12. Total amount she spent is equal to 2 0 0 0 2 4s are 8, 1 0 0 1 0 1 4s are 4. How much children? 4,800. Understood these two problems? Yes. Ritika pasted 25 pictures in one page of a notebook. How many pictures you want to paste now, children? With different subjects you will be having, in different subjects you will paste pictures. So in one page she pasted 25. She pasted pictures in 2,000 pages. How many pictures did she paste it? We'll see. Okay. Number of pictures Ritika pasted in one page 25. She pasted pictures in 2,000 pages. Number of pictures she pasted 2,000. Pasted. Okay. Number of pictures pasted 2,000 in a page. She pasted pictures on 2,000 pages. Number of pictures pasted in a pages. Or you can write it here. Number of pictures pasted is equal to 2,000 pages. Or it's not required to write for you all. You cannot. You can skip it. You cannot write it. So what we have to find out? How many pictures did she pasted? Number of pictures she pasted is equals to 2,000 into 25. How much, children? 5,000 pictures. Next, is equals to, you can write it at 5. Next, a candy seller sold 520 candies in a day. Do you like candy, all of you? Okay. Number of candies. Candy seller sold is equals to in a day, or you can say sell. Sold is equal to 520. How many candies did he sell in 20 days? Okay. Number of candies he sells in 20 days is equals to 520 into 20. 0 0 0 0 2 is 4, 5 is 10. Okay, children? Hope you have understood. 50,000. Hope you have understood. This is all about the textbook packets. Okay? Yes.